Family? It's your boy Feniks checking in with you this morning, man. I'm just out and enjoying the nice weather in Phoenix this morning, man. It's very nice. Just wanted to talk to you about a couple things, man, that I've been learning. And you know what, man? We have to break down and throw away everything that we learned, in the past that we thought was legit knowledge. You know what I mean? Because one thing I learned about the system will feed lies through the schools, through the televisions, through the media, and a lot of people are ignorant when it comes to finances and how to really be rich and to know that there isn't no middle class. You know what I mean? That's only poor and rich, and yeah, rich means, can have a different meaning. So, different people use rich as a different term, but I'm actually meaning to take care of yourself. So if something happened to you, you're not no liability on nobody else. You see what I'm saying? And you're not working for a paycheck. You know what I mean? You're working for cash flow, not a paycheck. And I think I got caught up in that too because I was working for a paycheck, living paycheck to paycheck. And then if anything happened while you're doing that and you got these houses and cars and this, if your paycheck cut off, what happens to you? You panic, you get stressed out, you got to sell stuff, you got to figure out something. I mean, it takes you through so much because you are not financially stable to take care of your cost of living. But you feel like, oh, I got this job, but this job isn't promised. You see what I'm saying? So we have to learn how to be independent. We have to learn how to be entrepreneurs, build businesses, because that's going to give us that positive cash flow. I mean, as of last month, me and my wife are now debt free as far as having big debts over our head, monthly payments that we got to do. We don't have a whole lot of that anymore. Now it's just clearing up our personal credit. You know what I'm saying? So now we're working on that area of it. But I'm thankful, man, to get to the point where we actually own what we have, and it's not like, you know it could be super lavish or whatever, but we're not there yet. But at least we own what we got. You see what I'm saying? So that put us in a situation where we are not assets and not liabilities now. You know what I mean? So as I network myself and gain new clients and come up with different ways to get a cash flow, I mean, that's what I think, that's like the most important thing of all, because we have been live from schools that you got to go to college, that you got to do all this, and you got to go through this system. Like, they put you through so much debt that it's like you get buried in that shit. You know what I'm saying? So if you're not uh, educated on how to maintain money and how to deal with debt and how to use debt as an asset and not as a liability, then that stuff can mess your whole life up. You know what I mean? Like, I'm seeing it now. You know what I mean? Like, things are getting better now, but the more I learn, be like, man, if I knew this stuff, I'd be a further than where I am now. But the good thing about it, that I'm at an age and I'm at a point in my life that I now know how to use this knowledge. You see what I'm saying? And you know what? That is crazy to me, that some people who know me and see the path that I'm on still shun me. You know what I'm saying? Or like they get intimidated or feel I'm on one because of my strong passion and direction. I mean, you have to push yourself, man. I mean, you have to fight for that last breath, man. It's like swimming and you tired, but you see the shore and you know if you stop swimming, you're gonna die. Thumbs down. So you don't have further away, and your muscles might be hurting. You like, I gotta get it. So you, somewhere inside of you, you have to pull that extra strength or power to be able to accomplish your goal and survive and make it to the bank. You know what I'm saying? So it's the same thing now. You know what I mean? So all I would say is, man, I mean, reconstruct your thinking. You know what I mean? Read some, watch some videos. If you don't like to read, then watch a lot of educational videos to feed your mind with a new language, with a new concept, with a new way to survive. And I ain't gonna lie, man. I hope that my folks from Arkansas, Man, I want all of my folks down there to prosper. And I hope once I finally figure this thing out that I can be able to help a lot of people, you know what I mean? Especially from my back home to actually have something and actually build wealth. That's my goal, man. I mean, I want to get there, but I want to help others. I want to see other people change, because to me, the excitement from watching you go from rags to riches is more exciting than me watching myself, you know what I'm saying? Because I went through a lot, and I couldn't watch, you know what I mean? You ain't going to be able to watch all the moments you're going to experience like, ooh, it's been tough. You know, it's been real. But to watch someone else that you have helped grow and do something and accomplish something great, man, that's a great thing. That's a great feeling. And I'm just going to try to use what I know and learn daily, man, so I can be able to help somebody else. But most definitely, I learn things to help my people first. You know what I mean? To be able to educate them, and, you know, whoever else I can help along the way, that's great. You know what I mean? Because I don't knock nobody. I'm not racist. Everybody's prejudiced. You know what I'm saying? I'm not racist. You know what I mean? I want to help anybody that's willing to get this knowledge and use it. But yeah, I want to present it to my people first. Like, hey, I got something. You know what I mean? So a lot of times people will shun you. That's fine. So you can't save them all. You can't help them all. But help who you can. Teach who you can. Educate who you can. Educate those who will listen. So if the purple man listening and he want to get, and the brown and the black man or the green man or the white man don't want to listen, then let the purple man win. That's the way I look at it. You see what I'm saying? So it's all about giving the knowledge out so someone can use it, man. And as I learn it and I apply it to my life, that's how I want to give it to you. You know what I mean? I don't want to say something to you that I'm not doing. You see what I'm saying? So I want to be able to be doing exactly what I'm telling you to do, so that way you can see the benefit from it. You know what I mean? But as of now, man, like I say, I'm still trying to figure things out. I'm working on it. So I'm going to get it, though. You know what I mean? Until then, you know what I mean? Just like I say, keep following my videos, man. Support when you can. Share, like. You might know somebody that needs some information. And I'll be all over the place as far as how I think, because when certain good things hit me, I just want to share it. You know what I mean? So my topics are different. You know what I mean? So I've been doing some welding for the last few days, and I haven't even posted no video on it. But that's a soundtrack. I just been focused on just trying to finish this project. You know what I mean? And I know people also like to see that, so I want to start uploading some more videos on me welding and being in the field and dealing with clients, dealing with issues, fixing things, making things, fabrication or whatever. I know that's a big asset to a lot of y'all, so I want to also encourage you that way. But like I say, man, if you can use this video, if you can use it to make you grow, to change your life, and man, like I say, the more I learn, the more I'm gonna give to you. So if you keep following me, man, as I blow, I want to try to influence you to blow and inflate yourself as well. Hog on.